And welcome to my PlayHouse. And today I have a battery here, and this is from a very modern laptop. It's totally flat, as you can see, and as regular laptops is not this thick anymore, and the number of cells that comes out looking like this from laptops might be decreasing rapidly. Well, I thought that we should have a look and see what does the lithium ion cells inside these very thin packs look like, and would that be something that we could be using for our power banks or home improvement experiments over the time. A colleague of mine gave me this. He thought he knew that I wanted the other battery, so he had saved this one for me and came and said that well, maybe I should have a look at this. This was interesting. This is a 15.2 volt 3.18 amp hour battery. I wouldn't call it paper thin, but it's definitely thin. So let's go to the table and have a look. So here it is, and yeah, you can just see what I already said. Here it says 3.29 amp hours. Down here it says 3.18 amp hours. Probably two different measuring standards. This looks like one kind of measuring standards, and this is called norm, so whatever. So but it's fairly simple to peel off the plastic of these, and we can see the different packs in here. I must admit, I have had this open to have a peek inside, so that I would know what, or at least so that the plastic would be easy to get off. There we are. So with 15.2 volts, we would need 4 groups of batteries. So it's probably that we have, how do they do that? We have one lead going down here, coming into that battery, going out again, going, these two are connected, so there's a cell there. Same thing over here, these two are connected, so there. And probably that's the same thing going on up here and over there. So we have a P4 BMS right there. We have the sensor for measuring the temperature, that's there. It would be interesting if we could have a peek at the other side of it too. See if that is possible, if it can be persuaded. I think that might just be happening. There is the other side. Okay. This is kind of cool. It would be really neat to mount that on the back of a monitor or something and have a portable monitor. I thought that would be a neat trick. Funny enough, the cables that come out of here, well, modern laptops, they don't use a lot of power, so probably this is enough. My best guess is that this is 3 negative cables, and these must be the positive cables, and then there is some control cables of some kind. This is from 2014. So, I have some cells already. I think they're exactly like these came out of another laptop. Here you can see they're sandwiched on top of each other. So this battery was a lot thicker than this one. This is very flat. So the different cells, this is a 3.8 volt 6.2 watt hour. Let's see if there's anything on And the smaller cells, here we are. That's a 3.8 volt and it's 5.85 watts hours. So these are a little bit smaller than the bigger batteries. Probably these 4 cells make up their own circuit, and these 4 cells make up their own circuit. So these 4 cells might be in series, and these 4 cells might be in series, and then these are parallel with these, whereas this one was probably, I don't know. These cells has the tendency to swallow up when they become old, and not good anymore. That's not a good idea when they do that. So yeah, that's at some point this might be the new power wall, and there might be cells like this, and that would be really easy to make. Just stack them up. They could kind of fit just like over here, and there could be really a lot of them on there. That would be cool. So I don't know, I have more of these batteries ish. We could just find one. I have I have 5 cells, and these are also too flat to have 18650s in them. They have these cells. There's one over here, a double pack, and I believe something over here. I don't know how they fit that, but there's nothing here in the middle. That's empty plastic, but there's a cell over there, and there's some cell thing over here. I forget what it looks like inside. Let's persuade it. Oh, sorry, these are some completely different ones. Okay, never mind, I fucked up. So in the near future we might have to use these for our power banks, and yeah, just wanted to make a short video showing it around, what we might be expecting. Mess this up and blow myself up. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.